Yep. You might want to grab your coat off of that gate.
Yeah.
It's going to drop here in a second. Yep.
The bright light coming.
Well, she's down good. I'm good. I'm good. She's got a good camera.
It's down there, Amy. It's on the way.
I'll tell you. I don't care. Tell your mom that. I can.
Oh, it's coming. I'm videoing. You guys take pictures. Yeah. Yep, I'm videoing.
You'll be up in the air.
It was so dirty. And then she was a little upset that way. Yeah, that's
It's there.
There, I know. I see it. Yeah.
Yeah, I just started going down. There she comes.
Yeah.